Hi, I'm Bob with New Age Industrial. We've really got some special carts here for you today. They're all very specific in what the needs are and how the design was done. That's what New Age is good about. We extrude our own aluminum. It's not a problem for us to make it exactly what you need. Everything you see here started from this. This cart here is designed to separate the goods apart. So if you've got tubes or if you've got some kind of a racking or tall product and you're trying to put it in there, you have the dividers so you can flip those up. You can flip them up, you can lock them in place, or you can let them come down and it will carry your product. You've got a front edge here on the front so the product does not scoot out. You also have a sound deadening mat down there, so you do not have any sound when you're rolling that around down there. If you had metal down there, and you had metal on it, it'd be rattling all over the place. But you're gonna notice one other thing on here. You notice this open pocket. The open pocket is there so you can take a forklift with your two forks. You can put one fork into this pocket, and you can take the second cart over here, right beside it, and put that one in too. So you can pick up two carts at once, go up into your mezzanine, put it in there to store it, and then pull out. But it's a handy cart and it works well, all lightweight. Another cart I'd like to show you is one that is done for the aeronautics industry. It's really a very unique cart in its own way. First of all, it's towable, so you have a tow bar hook on the front. And I'd like to show you on the back, there's what you're gonna hook it on to lock it in, the other tow bar part. You also see a dual set of handles here, and you also have a dual set of handles here. Now you're probably wondering, okay, what's this about? This is so you can identify the cart when you're in the working process. If you're in the manufacturing or assembly line, you can put a flag on here and you can label it and tag it so it stays with the right product, the right components. You'll notice also you have a sound deadening mat that does allow you to put parts on there so you don't hear the vibration or the noise. We also have a neat little product here. This is how you adjust this cart. As you can see the cart here with all these different locations. This is how it works. You can adjust this with an Allen screw. This is that tube, so you can set those shelves on different height levels. Very easy to do that, to move it around, to adjust it. Again, this is a very custom cart. I just wanted you to take a look and see it so you know it was available. Last but not least, and this is the thing that gets all of us excited, at least everybody that's got a tool shop, this cart here is our bin cart. This cart has been phenomenal for us. People love all the different trays, the different options in here. You've got the open trays on the bottom, and here you've got a lip up to keep the product contained. You can put bins in there. You've got a handle here on the end. You've got a place you can stick little trays, invoices, paperwork, whatever you need. You also have a writing stand here. You have a sheet if you want to go pick goods, you've got it. You've got the writing stand down below. But here's the best part. You want to watch this. This is a little magic trick I learned. If you flip it around, all of a sudden you got 55 bins. 55 bins that you can put small goods in. You can isolate them. This is what every guy dreams of. He wants a cart that you can put stuff in, move it around. You could work on your cars, whatever you want to do. The bottom allows for extra big trays also. We also have a little ladder hook here, so if you want a little two-step ladder, you can hang that on there. This cart is absolutely a dream come true. But you notice how easy it is for me to do that? There's a reason. We've got two casters on the end, two there, and one in the middle. Spring-loaded caster that allows us to do this right here. So we're giving you all the benefits to make life really easy for you. So please, call us at New Age Industrial. It's newageindustrial.com is the website. We'd love to help you. We can build you exactly what you're looking for. Thank you for your time.